Hey, it's Lily and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to Wintercon day 1 and here we have Mark.
Yeah.
Oh, whoops. Yeah. Really excited. We both haven't been to Wintercon. Today we're doing a Grogu cosplay and I'm pretty happy about it. I'm really excited for the cosplay contest. The only one that I've been to really is Big Apple Con. So I'm really excited to see how they do their cosplay contest. I've seen some videos, but in person it's definitely going to be a lot more fun. And it's going to be a great experience for the both of us.
Let's go!
Yay! Okay, see you there. Bye! Hey, it's Lily and we're here at near Wintercon day 1. Super excited, first time here, and I'm really excited to look around. Let's go!
Let's go!
She's so cute!
Aww, the cutest Yoda they've ever seen.
Local cosplayer, Lily. How you doing?
Okay, I'm good. How are you?
You're doing an interesting cosplay. You're doing like a very cool character. They probably made millions of action figures of, and not too many people cosplay. Like the second person I've seen.
What just happened?
Got an interview.
Had an interview. How'd that go? Knocking out left and
I
right.
think it went well.
I think it went absolutely phenomenal.
So we're waiting for the cosplay fashion show.
Fashion show.
Fashion show at lunch.
Fashion show! Fashion show! Fashion show at lunch!
So, crowd, are you guys ready? Contestants, are you ready? Wintercon, are you ready? We have contestant number 35. Number 35, hey, it's Lily as Grogu. Lily as Grogu.
I love your ears. You guys hear that? This whole thing costs less than $10. All together. Wow, impressive.
One more time for Lily. Hey, it's Lily as Grogu. Contestant number 36 from the Justice League. Let's hear it for Victor Stone, the Cyborg. Thank you to all of you, Wintercon.
So it's the end of Wintercon day 1. Did you have a nice time?
I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted.
That
Barely
did not
getting
help.
out alive.
Yeah, there was moments it could have, it was a little disorganized. It was a little disorganized.
Yeah, for sure.
Not like terrible, but it was just, things were running a bit behind. Hey, it's voiceover Lily here. So I actually didn't get to finish my thought because we got lost trying to find where we parked. So it was a well-run con, but I think whoever was in charge of what was going on the main stage, everything just got pushed back a bit and everything was a bit delayed. Like we left probably an hour later than what it was supposed to finish. Also, there was miscommunication about whether or not I could be a part of the cosplay contest or not. Even though when you purchased your tickets online, there's a box to check if you want to participate. I checked yes. I talked to the host, which was the person in the Iron Man suit, and he said I couldn't be a part of it. And then I talked to other organizers of the actual con, not just the contest, and they assured me that I was able to be a part of it. So I'm glad that I got that communication from them, and they really fought for me to be in the contest. So that was that. So besides that hiccup, I had a really great time, and I'm glad everything at the end of the day was resolved and I got to go on stage and just show my stuff. So it was a really fun time, and I would definitely go again. And now here's a little con haul. Yay! Hey, it's Lily. It's the day after Wintercon, day 1, and we got so many nice things. There were so many good vendors. So we got some mystery boxes, some Funko mystery boxes, and then I also got this mystery bag. It was $5 and there's 5 items in there. And for the Funkos, the top ones were Moon Knight, PX.
Oh, it was Miles Morales.
Yeah, and the other one was Rat Fink. Those are the big ones. These are $15 each. So let's see what we have inside. So, okay, this one is your box. Oh, and this is Lex Jor's Lair. Let's see. I'm gonna open it to you. Okay. Oh, no, stop. What is it?
No way.
Oh, no
Holy
way.
crap. You actually got Miles Morales. That is absolutely
That's
crazy.
awesome. No way. Yeah, I can't. What?
That's some.
So you want me to open yours?
Yeah, open
Okay,
it for me.
so I'm gonna put Miles over here.
Now for the review.
Okay.
I'm so
I don't
nervous.
know.
I think I saw an FYE or Entertainment Earth. I
No, wait.
am so excited.
Oh, wow.
That is a cool ass
That's
Phoenix.
so cool. So we don't know how much these are valued at right now, but besides the actual value, these are some really cool pops. And the fact that this was one of the big ones is what? All right, so we're on the Funko app, and so we're gonna look up. It's $55.
Yeah, it's a $55 pop.
So I got this for $15, and it's valued at $55. This one's a $9 pop.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Struck out.
So she's 9, but once again, it's just a really cool pop, and you really enjoy X-Men, so I guess this is up to you whether you wanna.
I also really enjoy Miles, so it's really up to you if you want to trade. But
Trade. Okay, so I have this $5 mystery bag, 5 items. I have no idea. So this was at a booth, and they were selling cosplay outfits and wigs and stuff. This is fun. So this has a $1 one in there.
Yeah.
So this is that's so it's sunflowers.
Look at that.
This is cute. See what else? Ooh, yeah, chopsticks.
No way. Look at that.
Oh, so that's it for what's in here. And we got the dollar envelope. Okay. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Kawaii Kiwi cosplay. I'm not exactly sure what
That
it
looks
is.
pretty trippy. It's kind of cool.
Kawaii Kiwi cosplayer. QR code, so cute in the back.
Cool.
Okay, cool. And then this little sticker.
That's cute. That's a
Okay,
cute sticker.
cute. Very nice. I love, honestly, my favorite.
Yeah, that's
My
really cool.
favorite. This worked out very well. I think it was a really nice little like mystery bag, and then also like really good promotion for yourself too.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Very well with the mystery stuff.
The mystery stuff was nice.
Yeah. And then we went to this 3D vendor and had this amazingly cute Totoro, and then a forest spirit, and I was like, oh my goodness, come on.
Gotta say that
It's-
the detail is so great.
It's awesome. And then also we got this light and just like the nice little display. And then look. And then their store is I really love pixels, I believe. Yes. Boop.
Sweet.
Yeah. And then we have some artwork. So super cute. Super cute. This is from Coco Kawaii, and it's the same artwork. And super sweet, so nice. She was making her necklaces there, and it's really talented and it's super adorable. It's really awesome. I'm really glad I stopped by their booth. And then also we have some artwork from, but the artwork on the front is so good. So, oh, and she also gave a sticker.
Sticker's so dope.
Yeah, I really like her style. So it seems like it's like more of the full body of the card. So I got this awesome black cat.
Damn.
And she said that she did it like the day before.
Yeah. She said I think it was like the night before she said that she was
Yeah.
getting it done. The detail's really good.
And then this is honestly my favorite.
This is a showstopper. I mean, let's be honest. This
Look at
this is
Can you see like the
phenomenal
light?
stuff. Yeah. Keep it right there.
It's so nice. And I think it's really gonna stick out like on my wall, really stand out.
Look at all the detail.
So yeah, that's all I got from Wintercon day 1. Awesome vendors once again, and I'm really happy with all my purchases, and it was so nice meeting all the vendors and really talking with them and getting to know them and about their craft. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
My granddaughter loves Baby Yoda.
How can you not?
Exactly.